In order to present fixed messages in a human-readable format, Chronicle provides a free and easy-to-use online fixed parser. To use it, firstly paste your fixed message or messages straight into this input box. Next, click on the Parse button, and all of the fields of your selected fixed message will be displayed to the right-hand side of the screen. Alternatively, you can click on the Random Sample button to see what it would look like after entering multiple fixed messages. After selecting a message on the left-hand side, clicking here would also allow you to view and then copy the fixed format of this individual message, which can be helpful when working with a large sample of fixed messages. A final helpful feature is the ability to copy your fixed messages and the fixed parser together in a URL, which is great when you want to share the parsed messages with others. To try out our fixed parser today, visit fixedparser.chronicle.software.